Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Pioneer Outdoors. You may be wondering why the title is something about steelhead fishing, and I'm sitting in my garage right now by my boat. First things first, I wanted to let you guys know that it is the next day after the steelhead fishing trip with me and Ryan, and I'm also going to throw some older footage in here from, I believe, back in February. It is a video of me, Dad, and Ryan out on the Big Manistee downriver from Tippy Dam on a jet boat. We are also doing some float fishing and steelhead fishing then, but I have some footage that wasn't amazing, but I did end up catching my first ever steelhead on a center pin rod and reel. So it's a pretty memorable catch for me, and it just happens to be my biggest steelhead I've ever caught, which I've not really caught many steelhead in my life, but this year I've caught the most I've ever caught before, and that one is definitely the biggest, without a doubt. Big chrome heavy female that I ended up catching in this one. I didn't get the hook set on footage, but Dad got good film on the big camera of the fight and everything, and we got some great B-roll going up the river to the spot and everything. So I figured I'd toss that footage in here just before the start of me and Ryan's trip yesterday. I hope you guys enjoy it. Here it is. Horse him. Don't horse him. Let him go if he wants to go. Keep your rod, turn your rod to the side. This way, yep. Silver, chromer. Oh snap. Oh, don't reel no more, dude. Okay, walk back. Oh shit, she's wrapped. Be careful. Just keep walking. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Dang! Dude, that is a big one.
Yes.
Dude, nice job.
Nice fish.
God, that is a horse of a freaking steelhead.
Oh, that is a beautiful fish, dude.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Big old female. Dude, I've been waiting to freaking catch a steelhead for so long. Oh my gosh.
Let's get a picture and get her back, eh?
Yeah. She goes. Welcome back to another episode of Pioneer Outdoors. It sure has been a while since I've seen you guys and talked to you guys. But today, me and my buddy Ryan here, we are out on the Big Manistee River above the coffer at the Tippy Dam in a little 12-foot boat here. My dad's done this type of fishing for pretty much most of his life. This is kind of his go-to spot when it's spawning season for the steelhead. He'll come right up here in a little rowboat, grab the oars, grab the net, grab the rods, get all that good stuff. He'll come up here above the coffer, meaning basically the spillway right there, the dam right there, is basically down below below the coffer, and we're above it right now. A lot of these fish, when they're spawning, they'll jump up above the coffer here, and they'll go back to the dam and they'll spawn. So that's what a lot of these fish are doing right now, is jumping. So we will probably see quite a few fish up here just jumping literally right next to the boat all day today. So it's about 7 a.m. right now. Me and Ryan did the dirty and got up around 4 a.m. this morning and made the trip up here to Walson here in Michigan. So we're gonna see what today has in store for us. I'm feeling pretty confident. I was out here the other day. I ended up going 4 for 5 myself, so there's a lot of fish to be caught. So wish us luck. We'll see what happens. Dude, they're gonna catch the crap of them out down there. They always do. Do you really? God damn, right. Come around here. Here, let me flip it over real quick. Very good. Keep fighting them, bro. Oh, yeah. About time, bud. There you go. Nice buck.
This guy came right after it, ate the jig right at the coffer.
Jigging a waxy.
Oh yeah.
Jigging a waxy, big old colored up buck. You want to keep him or let him loose?
Let's let him loose.
All right.
First one going for good vectors.
Alright, yeah, good idea.
Can you get him this way? He's gonna go right away.
There you go, bud. Good job. There's one. Oh my God, he was peeling me, dude. That was a big fish.
I saw that one down in the water.
1 for 3 so far. We're doing good. Yeah, I got some too. Oh, I got one. I didn't even see, I looked away and my bobber was gone. I'm like, oh, there's one. Little skipper. Dang, you broke me.
Yep.
You got a fish?
Yeah.
You really? Oh. Is it a little brownie?
Yeah.
Sweet fish, dude. You're good. You can just flip them in if you want. It's up to you. Scoop them. Oh, come here, little guy. Sweet little brown, dude. That's cool.
I think it's like a rainbow brownie.
We'll get a cool picture. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, you can send them off. Sweet. Yep. Come on, come on. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh. Oh my. Oh my God. Well, it's around 12 o'clock now. Let's just say it's been, I guess you could say, a good or a bad day. I don't know what you would really consider this type of day, because we've hooked a crap load of fish. I think between me and Ryan both, we've hooked 11 or 12 fish. Ryan's, yeah, 13 including the brown trout Ryan caught, but we've hooked about 12 steelhead, and this is gonna be embarrassing, but we landed one of them, so it's been an interesting day. We're struggling here. We keep right where the spillway gets over. A lot of these fish are like, they're super hot chrome fish. From what I've seen, from what I've noticed, you get them right on the edge, and if you horse them too hard, you're going to break off, and if you don't horse them enough, they're going to go right over the spillway and go below the coffer, and you're going to lose your whole rig. So it's been an interesting day. I'm not complaining. We're having fun hooking a lot of fish. The guys up above us are pretty cool guys. They've also hooked a ton of fish and haven't been able to get them into the boat, so we're not the only ones struggling, but I can't complain. It's a nice day out. I'm fishing, I'm not working, I'm not at school, so we're gonna see what happens. We'll probably be here for quite a long time. Wish us luck. Hopefully we can get something in the boat. Give them some.
Coming down 5 minutes to tell us that we gotta leave too.
Well, this will be the last one then. Way to end her off.
So good. My God.
That's a good eater right there, dude.
I'll take that one.
Yep.
Not good statistics, but I'll take it.
What'd you go today, bud?
2 for 8 right here. This makes 2. Plus a little brownie. Yep, that's 2 for 8. That's what that looks like. I was starting to think it wasn't possible to actually land one of these things, but it can be done.
Not a huge one, but that's a good eater.
Oh yeah. 15, got one to show for you. There you go.
We lost a lot of them. They whooped their butts today, but it was fun. Oh yeah.
Well, they caught Thanks guys for getting out.
No problem.
Yep.
She's heavy.
Well, ladies and gents, that is it. We actually got booted out of Tippy Dam because of the whole coronavirus deal going around right now. They closed down the dam today at 2 p.m. and it is March 31st. So if any of you are watching and you wanted to go to Tippy Dam, don't, because you're not going to get in, sadly, because the fishing was getting really good. So, but I wouldn't say we did amazing today. We ended up going 2 for 14, me and Ryan both. We lost a lot of fish. They whooped our ass just a little bit. Sad part is they're closing everything down and steelhead fishing is prime right now. So we'll see what happens, guys. But glad you guys could watch. Stick around in the video today. If you're not already, make sure you click that subscribe button below. And also smack that like button as well. Give me a little bit of thumbs up action. Wouldn't mind. And
Just give her a good smack.
give her a good old smack on the bottom. And as always, guys, make sure to keep on keeping it real. And we will hopefully see you in the next steelhead video.